Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. These will be essential for the disassembly and reassembly of your Dyson HS01. Start by unplugging the device to ensure safety. Next, locate the screws on the back of the hairdryer. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the casing. Be cautious as there are internal components that may be sensitive. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any remaining screws. Now with the casing open, you will see the closure system. This is the mechanism that secures the hairdryer when it is not in use. Inspect the system for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice any issues, it's time to replace it. To remove the old closure system, use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry it out. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the surrounding components. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your device serviced without any hassle. Once the old closure system is removed, take your new closure system and align it with the mounting points. Press it firmly into place until you hear a click, indicating it is secure. Before reassembling the casing, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the performance of your Dyson HS01. Now, carefully reattach the casing. Ensure that all internal components are properly aligned and that there are no obstructions. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly so, as this could damage the casing. After the screws are in place, give the hairdryer a gentle shake to ensure everything is secure. If you feel any loose parts, double-check your assembly. Finally, plug in your Dyson HS01 and test the closure system to ensure it functions correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our team is here to assist you with any further diagnosis or repairs you may need. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the closure system on your Dyson HS01. Remember, if you prefer not to tackle this yourself, we provide professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have peace of mind with your appliance. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.